Hi everyone. If you're setting up a new Windows 11 PC, or will be doing so in the coming months, please be informed of the following important update on the next Windows 11 build. According to a Windows 11 Insider Preview blog posted on March 28, 2025, Microsoft is removing the bypass NRO script from the next Windows 11 build. This bypass NRO script has been the most popular workaround to skip the mandatory internet connection and Microsoft account requirements during the Windows 11 setup, and hence it allows you to create a local offline account. You can check my other video, whose link is included in this video's description, on how to use this bypass NRO script to create local account. But if Microsoft is only removing the script but still keeping the OOB registry key and processing its bypass NRO value, you might still have a way to avoid the Microsoft account requirement, although it will be a little bit more cryptic. You just need to add the OOB registry key and bypass NRO as its value to reactivate the bypass NRO at the beginning of the setup. To do that, when you get to this country or region screen, press the Shift and the F10 keys on the keyboard to launch the command prompt. On the command prompt, type this rather long command to add the OOB registry key. I have put this command on this video's description for your quick reference. Once you confirm that you have typed the command correctly, press Enter on the keyboard and you should get this confirmation message. Now you will need to restart your PC by typing this command and then press Enter. After the restart, you should be brought back to the country or region screen. Alright, now before you continue with the setup, make sure that your PC is disconnected from any network. And to ensure that your PC is indeed already offline, press the Shift and the F10 keys one more time to open the command prompt. Type ipconfig/release to release any active network connection. Once confirmed offline, close the command prompt and continue the setup as per normal. So here it is, the offline setup option for you to skip the Microsoft account requirement and to create a local account. Alright, so that's how to skip the internet connection and Microsoft account requirements during Windows 11 setup. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.